A good afternoon, everyone. Speed test July. Yes, first Friday of the month. Always do a speed test to train your brain brain to think faster. Yes, Friday, the first Friday of the month, July the 5th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also an additional extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now we have a speed test with these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number, I believe, I believe 8, 8, and the number is 4, 884. Come on. 884, 4. Yeah, 8844. Whoa. 8844. Let me write it here. Speed test without any comments, without any instructions. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Without comments, without instructions. Alright. 2, 4. I need a 4 here. 1. 1. Need a 1 here. Okay, come on. 4. 5. Need a 5 here. 5. 7. 2. 6 here. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need an 8. Need a 5. 3, 6, and 8. That means we need a 7 there. 6 here. Come on. 2. 5. Need a 5 here. 6, 8, and 6, 8, and come on, and a 9. Yeah. 7. Need a 7, 9, and a 1. 4, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 3, 8. 3, 8, and 6. 3, 8, and 6. Wow. 5, 2, 8. Need a 2 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. 2, 2, need a 2 there. 2. 2 here. 5, 5. Come on. 2, 4, 5, 2. Need a 5 here. 6 there. Need an 8, need a 9. 9. Could be 9 there, could be 9 there. 5. No 5 here. 5. I'm stuck. Come on. 4, 1. Oh, 1. We need a 1 there. Need a 1 there. We need a 7 there. Need a 9 there. Need a 3 there. Need a 9 here. No 3. Need a 6 here. No 7. 3. Need a 3 there. Need a 8 there. 2. No. Need 2 there. About the 1 now. This should be the 1. This should be the 6. This should be the 7. 3. Need an 8 here. 8 and the 1. 5 and the 3. Need a 2 there. 6 and the 9. Well, there. 1 and the 5 and the 2. 2 and the 5. 7. 4, 1, 6. Need a 2. 2, 5, 7, and need a 3. 3 goes together with it. 7, 5. 3, 2. Okay. 3. Need a 3 here. 6 and an 8. 7, 8. 2, 5, and 6. Need a 6. 6. Need an 8. 8, 2, 5, and I need a 9. No 9 here. 9. 2, 5, 9. Yeah. 2, need a 9. 2, 9, and the 6. No 2. 6 and a 9. 6, 8, and a 9. 6, 8, and a 9. 6, 8, and a 9. 9 and an 8. Need an 8 here. Come on. 2. Need a 2. Come on. No 9 here. Could be a 9. 6, 9. 8. This box 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 2, 3, 4, 3 and an 8, I believe. 5. This cannot be a 5 anymore. 5. Need a 5 here or there. Eliminated the 8. 8 should be here. Here should be the 9. This should be the 2. This should be the 5. 6 and the 2. Need a 2 here. 2 and a 6. 2, 6 and a 9. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. Come on in and 2, 6 or 9 here. 3 and a 2. We have a 2 there. 3, a 9 and a 6. 6, 8 and the 9. 6, 9. This should be the 8. 6, 8, 8, 8, 3. 6 and the 9. 9, 6. No 6 here. 6, 2 and a 9. 2 and a 6. 2, 6. And this one, 1, 2, 3. Finished. 11 minutes. Minus 2 minutes. 9 minutes. Okay. Could be faster. But we solve it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. Well, this method to control if the Sudoku is filled correctly, if you have a fast way to control or check this, in a fast way, please leave a comment. I need to know the fastest way to check if the Sudoku is correctly filled in, because the horizontal rows, the columns, to check those all is a lot of time. Anyway, we solved this in 9 minutes, and I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.